Hi, this is Raymond. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Excel to test the equivariances for two populations. So, to test whether the variances of two populations are equal or not, we can use f-test. And this graph is for the f distribution. And we can see that it's not symmetric like the normal distribution or the t distribution. So we need to pay attention about it. And here is the steps for hypothesis testing. And we can use this example to explain it. Okay, so for Excel, we can simply go to data analysis and then choose f-test to sample for variances. Choose OK. And then we can select the samples. And alpha equals to 0.05. Upper range, we can just put it here. Okay, then we can get the result. So here I strongly recommend you to use the p-value to make the decision because that's quite easy. And for this question, we can just use this value times 2, and then we can get our p-value. And then use our p-value to compare with the alpha. So since the p-value is greater than 0.05, so we can make a decision that we cannot reject the null hypothesis. But if the question asks you to use the f-stat to make the decision, how can we do it? We can't simply use this value here to compare with the f-stat because this one is just for one tail and we are doing a two-tail test. So if we want to calculate the f critical value, we can just use like f critical, just use f.inf 0.975 because this is a two-tail test and the f1 equals to 9, the f2 equals to 11, and then we can get the f critical. Since here f critical equals to 3.59, right, and f value equals to 2.97, which is smaller than the f critical value. So we can also make the same decision that we cannot reject the null hypothesis. And that's all for this video. See you next time.